Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your side hustle profits with TurboTax, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your TurboTax account. If you don't have an account, create one by selecting Sign Up. Once logged in, navigate to the section specifically for self-employed individuals or side hustles. Select the option to start a new tax return. Enter your personal information as prompted. When you reach the income section, choose Self-Employment Income. Input your side hustle revenue accurately. Make sure to have all your income statements ready for easy reference. TurboTax will prompt you to report any business expenses. List all allowable deductions related to your side hustle. These may include supplies, marketing costs, and home office expenses. TurboTax has a built-in guide to help identify possible deductions. As you complete each section, check for accuracy. After entering all necessary information, review your tax return carefully. TurboTax will calculate your tax liability based on your entries. Look for any alerts or suggestions TurboTax provides regarding your return. Once satisfied with your entries, proceed to file your taxes. You'll have the option to file electronically or by mail. If filing electronically, follow the prompts to submit your return. After filing, keep a copy of your return for your records. Consider consulting TurboTax's resources for additional tips on side hustle taxes. Doing so will help you understand your tax obligations better. This can also contribute to maximizing your deductions in future years. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.